benefits of organic holy basil?
So when I was making my relax formula to help people get a deeper, healthier night's sleep, I was trying to figure out what's the best herbs I can use, vitamins, minerals to support the adrenal glands and to help somebody get a great night's sleep. And the reason why people tend not to get great night's sleep is because through stress, their cortisol levels go up. Cortisol impairs their sleep ability. It impairs their natural production of melatonin. So I had to decrease their nighttime cortisol to assist in this process. Holy basil and magnolia bark are two of the two best herbs you can do to reduce nighttime cortisol. There's other herbs that can affect nighttime cortisol, but they also, like ashwagandha, might increase your body's energy, and I didn't want to put someone in a position where all of a sudden they're going to be all jacked up before they go to bed. So holy basil, the reason why I use holy basil in my relaxed formula is because it is amazing at lowering those nighttime cortisol levels, allowing your body to naturally produce melatonin, and allow your body to get a really healthy nighttime sleep.
Nice.